So one of the neat features we have with the vans are bug nets. So if you want to have a total open air concept once you get to your campsite, we can put these bug nets up and just leave the sliding door and the large two main doors wide open. So these are usually held right above the passenger seat, front seat. Once you get them out, they are done with magnets. So there's a little bit of a learning curve to them because they do stick together, they are magnets. But all you have to do is start taking the magnets and placing them on exposed metal inside the van opening here. Here, we'll start this way. And we'll start throwing them up in there. And they might stick a little bit together as you put them around. You'll hear them latch into place. Work our way all the way around. They even go through the bottom here. So now we have an entire, we can keep the van open without all the buggies.